Jared Campbell with Classic Touches, here with Bob from Bob's Gulch. We're in my truck today. Bob's truck's basically the same. They both have 18 speeds. Bob, he's never driven this twin stick kit before, but a lot of people have asked how easy it is to get used to. So hopefully we're going to demonstrate that it's pretty easy to get used to. This twin stick kit that I've designed is forward and back for the splitter, and there's a neutral position H pattern, and it goes side to side to get to the range. So now the top half of the transmission forward and back. So it's the same as an 18 speed. Instead of the buttons on the knob, the twin stick kit shifts the air switches. So Bob's never done this before. We'll see how he does, see if he can get used to it, just going around the block. He's going to shift this exactly the way he shifts his 18 speed.
Is this like first or second to start?
The way you drive it.
I need to... Is this high? No, that's low range.
That's high. Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute. So I just move it forward and then go into high automatic, right?
Yeah, just like your 18 speed.
Okay, I'm up there. No, that did not.
No, you got to get a high range. You got to go side to side.
Oh. Cringe.
Yep.
So the high range is over there?
Yeah. Now you're forward and back
and
to
then
split.
That's the split. Okay.
Okay. You guys that drive a lot, you'll know this. In addition to getting used to my splitter stick, he's got to get used to a whole new truck.
Oh, geez. Okay. Now I gotta learn this. So the throw's not very big on this side.
It's not as much throw as Brownie would have been.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
That's low.
Oh, that's low. Okay, so that's high. So I'm gonna want.
When you push your gray button forward, you push the stick forward. When you pull your gray button back, you pull the stick back. Yeah?
just go with it straight up.
It's adjustable, so you could put it however you want.
Yeah.
You could add
But,
whatever
you know,
extension, whatever shift knobs.
Yeah, personally, I would rather that, but I mean, that's an easy way to adapt it to whatever you're looking for.
I ran out of those bend extensions and drove it around for a week with just a knob on top of that because I didn't have.
Height, right?
Yeah, it's a little taller than most stock height just because it's a glider kit and that's what they had. Most of our factory built trucks, they're not that tall. So you put a 6-inch extension on them and just right. I put a 6-inch extension on that and it was way too tall.
Yeah, I'd put it close to that.
Yeah.
You'd be banging your knuckles on that. Yeah, mine just is a little lower. Of course, this seat isn't up as high as I would like to, so I set mine up a little bit higher, but my hand, I like to have the hand off the armrest almost straight. So this works, but
Yeah, that different RPM range from the Cat to the Cummins takes some getting used to.
I don't like loud takes. See that? I also think that would make me think you're taking it out of gear.
Yeah.
And you're not.
Anyway, so quick drive, and Bob's used to this thing. Right, Bob?
I can drive it and everything. It would probably take a good half hour to an hour to really not have to think as much about it. Very adaptable. You get used to it very quickly. You got to get over the mental block of it all being on one, and other than that, it's doable.
All right, thanks, Bob. Glad you had fun, and you can go back to driving your truck.
Yay!